This is a 2009 Lexus RX 350, one owner with 87,000 miles. Fully equipped with navigation, backup camera, moonroof, leather seats, heated seats, in wonderful condition for its age, great service records. It's like a slate gray metallic. Car is in wonderful condition. Power liftgate. Alloy wheels. Tires are new. Like all of our cars, we perform a 125-point pre-owned inspection. This vehicle will need nothing mechanically or cosmetically. The vehicle is running. Like I said, it's like a slate gray metallic. Moonroof. Not a door ding on this thing. Very clean. Gray leather seats are in wonderful condition. There is the Carfax, one owner, no accidents. Navigation, backup camera, heated seats, original floor mats, power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise. 87,000 miles. Just in remarkable condition for its age and super low miles. So this is a 2009 Lexus RX 350, one owner with 87,000 miles, fully loaded, backup camera, navigation, needs nothing, in wonderful condition.